Next up, I'm so excited because it is a DIY, which is one of my favorites to review, and it is sweet Korean pancake. So this slime comes with the little charms, a 1 ounce syrup, and 2 sweet Korean pancakes, and then it comes with the slime itself, which is a thick and glossy base. And it smells so good, just like cinnamon. This one is a really slow stretch, but in a good way. It almost feels like, you know, when you get hair in your slime and it's hard to pull, it almost feels like this, except it's supposed to be like this. This base is so nice. I don't want to mix it in the slime, but I know since it has such a great base, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to inflate the slime so when I assemble it, it'll look better. Okay, so next we're going to open the DIY clay. And I love it because you get 2 pancakes and they even have this little paper so the clay does not stick together. It is very soft and very moist though. So what I'm going to do, over here the pancake is split in half. So I'm going to split the pancake in half. It looks like a real pancake, so I'm so excited. Next, we're going to open the little syrup. It's so clear. So firstly, we're going to place this pancake right here with a little bit of a drizzle. So excited to assemble this one. And then on top, I'm going to add these 2 with the little filling coming down. And then we have this little bag with little nuts in it. And I think the charms are so cute. It's a little walnut and an almond. And here it is, sweet Korean pancakes. This one looks so pretty. I love how it looks. And in 3, 2, 1. The clay is so soft. I've never felt clay like this before. It feels so nice to finally mix it. I think it might have doubled in size. I love this texture so much. I don't know which one I like more, the old one or the new one. It's so soft. It's the perfect DIY slime. And I love the color, how it still has a little bit of the original color and it's a little bit yellow and brown, kind of like a golden honey. This looks like the perfect breakfast since I love pancakes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, then make sure to leave a like and leave a comment on what I should review next. And like I've said before, I am going to review Momo Slime really soon. Not in a couple of videos, but soon, hopefully. So make sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!